Meaning of denouement.
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 Denouement. Denouement refers to the final outcome or resolution of a story or drama. It is the moment when all loose ends are tied up and the audience finally sees how everything comes together. This can include revelations about character motivations, the consequences of their actions, and the ultimate fate of each character. The denouement often provides closure and a sense of satisfaction for the audience, allowing them to leave the story with a complete understanding of what has transpired. Essentially, the denouement is the payoff for the entire story and is key to its overall impact.